Hi, my name is Mr. Chu, and I give you a very special welcome to my study room. If today is your first time of coming here, then I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel, Mr. Chu Study Room, for more videos, so that anytime I upload videos, it comes to you straightforward. Today we are doing logarithms or logarithm of numbers, and I have something on the board: log b base a. That is how it is right. When you have a logarithm of a number, you take logarithm of the number before the base. So this is log b base a. And what does this mean? This only means that what number should the base here raise to give you the b you have there. So when you are giving the logarithm of a number to a base, they are just asking you what number would the base raise to give you the number you are taking the logarithm of. So for example, if we say log b base a is equal to m, it means that we are saying that the b here is equal to this one will raise to this number a exponent m. That is just what we are saying. If we take log 81 base 3, we are just asking what number would the 3 here raise to give us 81. That is just what we are asking. What number would the 3 here raise to give us 81? And we know that that is 4, because 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3 is 27, and 27 times 3 is 81. So it means that log 81 base 3 equal to 4, because 3 exponent 4 will give us 81 here. That is just what we are saying. We can also take another one, log 32 base 2. They are just asking us again, what number would this 2 here raise to give us 32? Again, we can just use our calculator to find that 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So it means that log 32 base 2 is 5. Then again, log, let's say 1000 base 10. Log 1000 base 10, you are just asking what number would this 10 raise to give us 1000. That is 3, because 10 exponent 3 is 1000. So that will give us 3. And you can verify all these answers with your calculator. But I am just here to help you with the meaning, what it means, and what you do. Now let's take some work examples. So we have 4 questions here. But the question is, without using tables or calculator, evaluate each of the following. The very first one is log 32 base 4. Like from the definition, we want to see what number this 4 will raise to give us 32. And that is the answer that will be here. So we will let log 32 base 4 be equal to x. We let x be that number. This means that 32 will be equal to this 4 will come and carry this as exponent. So 4 exponent x. Here we want the common base, but we can see that here we cannot have 4 exponent anything to give us 32. But then we can have 2 exponent 5 to give us 32, and then 2 exponent 2 to give us 4. So instead of using the 4, we will use 2, because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. So that is 2 exponent 5. We will make here 2 exponent 5 be equal to 2 squared for the 4, and then we have x here. The bases are the same. That means we have 5 to be equal to 2x. We are looking for x and not 2x. So we divide both sides by 2. And our x will be equal to 5 over 2, or as a mixed fraction, that will be 2 whole number 1 over 2. This is the value of our x. It means that this 4 will raise to the power 5 over 2 to give us 32. We take the second one, log 0.125 base 2. The same thing, we will like log 0.125 base 2 is equal to x or y. It can be any variable at all. That means that 0.125 will be equal to 2 exponent x. And we have to change this to common fraction. So this will be, we write our 125 here. These points we bring 1. Then each of the numbers we bring 0. Here we bring 0. Here we bring 0. So that will give us 125 over 1000. This one will go here 1, go here 8 times. We want to reduce it. So that means that 1 over 8 will be equal to 2 exponent x. We want to have a common way. And here we can express that 2 exponent 3. So this is 1 over 2 exponent 3 be equal to 2 exponent x. From the laws of indices, we have 2 exponent negative 3 for this one, be equal to 2 exponent x. It means that since the bases are the same, it means our x equals negative 3. That means that 2 exponent negative 3 is going to give us 0.125. Let's quickly go to our example 3. Alright, so this is supposed to be 2x equals to 1. Therefore, there's a little mistake in the question here. So let me just take the whole thing again. After doing the correction, we are just asking ourselves that what number is supposed to be here for 2 to multiply so that it will give us the answer as 3 exponent 1. This x is what we are looking for. By definition, we are going to have 2x to be equal to 3 exponent 1. Yes. This is how the whole thing is supposed to be. Because here we are giving equation already, so we didn't let it to be equal to anything. So we are just using the definition. That means that 2x will be equal to 3. And we are not looking for the value of 2, we are looking for the value of x. So we divide both sides by 2. Then our x will be equal to 3 over 2, which is the same as 1 whole number 1 over 2. Then let's get the last one. The question 4, just like the question 3, they have given us an equation already with x in it. So we don't have to let it be equal to any x. We just use the definition. And the definition means that this 8 here should be equal to this x raised to the power 2. To get the value of x, you have to find the square root of both sides. So you take the square root of this, you take the square root of this. This one cancels this. This one, we can get a perfect square from it, that's 4 times 2. And the square root of the 4 is 2. So you are going to get 2 root 2, which your calculator can also give you quickly to be x. Therefore, the value of x is 2 root 2. So this is the definition of logarithm and its applications of solving questions. And this definition of logarithm, we are going to use it to solve more questions that will apply this definition for it to solve. So I encourage you to master, especially solving the questions that will come just after this. to master. And also another new thing we'll be doing is that when you are giving where it's not like the definition, this number cannot raise to something to give you this. That is called change of base. We'll be doing change of base also in subsequent videos. So expect more. That's the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good. So just after this one, there will be questions for you to solve. Feel free to share the answers with me in your in the comment box. And more importantly, subscribe to this channel for more videos. I want to thank you so much for your time. In our next video, we are going to be discussing the laws of logarithm. Just like the laws of ABCs, there are laws of logarithm as well, and this will guide our solution. Thank you for making time with me today. Bye bye.